vlogging, you guys. Yeah. What's going on, guys? It is Saturday, August 6th today. August 6th. We're at Starbucks. Gonna go do some work.
You
like our machines to cure more? You want to keep this?
I won't regret when the sun sets, 'cause I live my life like I'm a bitch. When the sun rises, I wake up and chase my dreams. I won't regret when the sun sets, 'cause I live.
Let me in! Let me in! Product.
shoulder pouch.
Oh.
I'm actually gonna go buy some like H-Full or something and just fucking go to Stim Free for a while.
Supplements, bro?
You even supplement, man? Yeah, no, I just want to switch it up.
Productive day at Starbucks. Kind of.
Was it?
It was productive. We got some shit done.
This girl don't want to work, man. I don't know. It's like dragging an anchor.
What?
To be honest, we know who's fucking.
Don't listen to him. Anyways, off to the gym now.
Feel me like a Hellcat. Like a Hellcat.
Workout complete. Had a good workout. Did you?
It was okay.
Looks good. Doesn't that look good? Yeah, it looks really good. Don't get too excited there, buddy. It's not for you. Maybe a little bit for you. What's going on, guys? Just finished up a workout. We did a bunch of squats. Actually, not that many squats. Did a little bit of squats and a lot of bench press. Super excited for my bench press today. I benched 95 pounds for 3 reps for like 5 sets, I believe. I think it was 5 sets. 95 pounds for every single set. I haven't benched 95 pounds since before my prep, so it was a good day. Anyways, I'm gonna eat some food and get back to work. What's up, YouTube? It is actually 2 days later. I didn't get a chance to wrap up my vlog from Saturday, I think it was. Yes, Saturday. It is now Monday. Reason for that. Reason I didn't get to wrap up my vlog is because Kyle and I got a little distracted Saturday evening. It's not what you guys think. We actually have launched our secret project. Kyle and I have finally launched our own training business together. It is called the Natty Hour. Kyle has always wanted to do online training. I've already been doing it for almost 2 years now, so we we decided, I think back in February, why not do it together? We make a really good team. So we decided that we are gonna do it together. So that was when the Natty Hour was born. A lot of people have already asked me, what does the Natty Hour mean? Let me elaborate. The word natty refers to being natural, being a natural athlete without the abuse of performance enhancing drugs. The hour part means honoring that commitment day in and day out. Kyle and I are both really proud that we are natural athletes. It can be frustrating at times when you are in the sport of bodybuilding, but the fact that we have honored that struggle, haven't fallen into peer pressure, frustration, and temptation, and we have honored that commitment day in and day out. So we know other people have the same values, so we wanted to share our knowledge, our experience, and expertise with other people out there. So we're really excited that it is finally here. It was a long road. We were supposed to launch it back in July. We had a couple of delays, having to collaborate and make compromises. It took a lot more time than we expected, but we got it done. We're ready to go. So having said that, I highly encourage you guys to visit our website. It's thenattyhour.com. We also have our own Facebook page and Instagram account. Kyle and I do still have our separate platforms, so you can still follow us as individuals, but we'll also be posting a lot of fitness and health tips and tricks and advice on our other platforms for the Natty Hour. So I encourage you to follow those as well. Some awesome content that we are going to be having coming your guys' way, so you definitely do not want to miss that. So yeah, that's why I had to put the vlog on hold. I wasn't able to get it finished, and I thought it would be really cool to finally announce it anyways, so that's why I kind of put it off. So yeah, I just wanted to say thank you to you guys. Having you guys show us your appreciation and your support has allowed Kyle and I to do this, so I really appreciate it. Kyle really appreciates it. I hope you guys enjoy the next few months, because it's gonna be a ride. Make sure you guys follow along for the ride. Make sure you guys subscribe to Kyle's YouTube channel. It's always linked down below. He's gonna have some sick content coming your way. I am, and so is the Natty Hour. Thanks for watching, you guys, and as always, I will see you in the next one.
I rise just like a phoenix, born from the ashes. I take care of my own.